Hello, good people of YouTube. The reason I'm doing this video is to show what to do or how to treat your split ends of your beard. Now, this is going to happen. You can reduce the amount of split ends you have in your beard by pretty much oiling it, conditioning it every day like you're supposed to. That helps reduce the split ends a lot. But to treat your split ends, you have to, the analogy I would use is like the bushes or the hedges on your house. Like if they get out of hand, you have to trim them. So you would use one of these. And I got this off of a beard kit that I got a while ago, the Rapid Beard Kit that's on Amazon. I have a link for it on one of my previous videos if you want to try to purchase it. But you can get a pair of scissors like these. You don't even have to get the kit. There's like scissors on Amazon just like these. And these work pretty good. And I would show you, but I'm kind of trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time, and I can't really show you and trim. So what I would do is just pull out what hairs you have to kind of pull out your hairs and look at each hair strand and look for the split ends, and you'll spot them. And there's a chart on Google actually where there's a chart that shows you what hairs are split ends and when you have damaged hairs and stuff, and you just have to kind of just go for your hair and just trim each hair that you know has a split end. But that's how I treat my split ends, because I just don't get them a whole lot. And what also helps is using one of these wooden combs. This has helped me a lot. This helped me reduce my split ends quite a bit. But in order to treat it, you have to kind of go for your beard and trim them. But thank you if you're watching this video, and thank you for taking the time out your day to watch this video. Peace.